Ever wonder how AI is getting so good at understanding everything? Like seeing a photo, hearing a question, and responding with both words and speech. Today, we're diving into a game changer called Stream-Omni, a model that's rewriting the rules of how machines process the world. Let's break it down. So here's the thing. Modern AI can handle text, images, and speech, but it's like trying to cook a three-course meal with just one pan. Most models force all data into the same format. Think of it as squishing a photo, a voice recording, and a paragraph into a single puzzle. It works, but it's messy, slow, and needs tons of data to get right. Enter Stream-Omni. This model doesn't play by the old rules. Instead of shoving everything into a one-size-fits-all format, it treats each type of data like a unique ingredient. For vision, like a photo or video, it uses a technique called sequence dimension concatenation. Imagine lining up images next to text, so the AI can see how they connect. For speech, which is all about rhythm and meaning, it uses layer dimension mapping. This lets the model align spoken words with text faster, and with way less data. It's like teaching a kid to read by first helping them recognize shapes. Efficient, smart, and super effective. Why does this matter? Let's say you ask your voice assistant, "What's the weather like today?" With Stream-Omni, it doesn't just reply with a voice. It shows you a real-time transcription of the conversation. That means clearer communication, faster responses, and less data needed to train the model. In fact, Stream-Omni only requires 23,000 hours of speech data, about 1/10 of what other models need. The results? It's a powerhouse. Stream-Omni crushes tasks like understanding images, interpreting speech, and even combining both. It's not just faster, it's smarter. Imagine a virtual assistant that doesn't just hear your words, but grasps their meaning, all while keeping up with the flow of conversation. This isn't just a tech upgrade. It's a step toward AI that interacts with us the way humans do, naturally, seamlessly, and across multiple senses. But how do you train AI to handle all that? The problem? Speech data is tricky. It's messy, variable, and hard to collect. Most AI models are trained on text or images, not actual audio. That's where breakthroughs like InstructOmni come in. Researchers didn't just rely on recorded speech. They used text-to-speech synthesis to generate lifelike audio from existing text. They pulled data from datasets like LLaVA, which pairs images with questions, and UltraChat, then turned it into speech using tools like CosyVoice. The result? A treasure trove of tri-modal data, text, speech, and visuals, all synced perfectly. Now AI can learn to translate a podcast while watching a video or answer questions about a photo in real time. And it's not just about having more data, it's about using it smarter. Models like Stream-Omni are trained on way less data than their competitors, 23,000 hours versus 700,000 hours. But still outperform them. How? By focusing on efficiency. These systems run smoothly on your phone or smart speaker, not just supercomputers. That means the future of AI isn't just powerful, it's practical, right in your pocket. Take the Spoken Vis IT benchmark, for example. It tests whether AI can answer questions about images using speech. Researchers turned text-based questions into audio, then measured how well models like Stream-Omni matched visual context. The result? A model that doesn't just hear words, it understands them whether you speak or type. So what's next? Stream-Omni is proof that the future of AI isn't just about processing information, it's about comprehending it. And that's a future we're all going to get to experience. Thanks for watching. If you're curious about how AI is becoming more like us, hit subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what's one thing you'd love to ask an AI that understands everything? See you next time. Ever wondered how your phone understands your voice, or how a robot can talk back to you? It's not magic, it's speech tokenizers and voice synthesis tools working behind the scenes. Think of them as the unsung heroes of AI. Projects like Speech Tokenizer break down raw audio into bite-sized pieces that machines can process, while CosyVoice turns text into super realistic speech, like a digital voice actor that can mimic accents, emotions, or even a whisper. But here's the big deal. This isn't just about making AI smarter, it's about making it human-like. Imagine an AI that helps you learn a language by translating a conversation in real time, or one that analyzes your speech patterns during a doctor's visit to spot early signs of illness. The goal? Tech that understands not just words, but context, tone, and even visual cues. The future isn't just about machines that talk, it's about machines that listen, learn, and connect like never before.